You're posting to YouTube, you're staying consistent, you've even tried doing all the optimization tricks or hacks to rank in search, but you're not making sales. You're not getting these videos that send you sales every day that you're hearing me talk about. What the heck, Trina? It's because you're following advice meant for content creators, not business owners. So I'm gonna walk you through why your content isn't converting and what to do instead if you want the time you're spending here creating YouTube content actually turn into clients, course sales, digital product sales, revenue. If you're new here, my name is Trina. I'm a YouTube strategist for business owners. So I'm a YouTube strategist that teaches business owners how to use YouTube to generate more leads, email signups, course sales, digital product sales, clients, coaching clients. All of those. First, let's jump in and talk about the real problem you're facing that's causing your videos to get zero sales. It's because you're probably creating content to rank in search. This is important, 100%, but you're doing a key part of that completely wrong. You're probably trying to rank in search for beginner topics. You've probably watched other YouTube advice channels and they're telling you to find a search topic that is searched a lot. And most of the time, these larger search topics are very beginner topics. And you think, okay, if I can just get hundreds of views on my videos, some of those will turn into sales. But what you're actually doing is attracting low quality viewers that are basically freebie chasers. They will come to your videos 100%, but they will get exactly what they wanted and bounce. They will never connect to you or buy from you. They're not interested in your framework, your system, your course, your program, because you're attracting somebody that's too far at the beginner stage of what you teach. And these viewers do not equal ready to buy viewers. But when you start making videos with a clear strategy for the right person and guiding them through this transformation, this journey that gets them to your offer being the solution, that's when you make sales. Otherwise, you're gonna keep spinning your wheel, posting videos, not seeing any money from those videos, i.e. sales. Okay, but this is no fault of your own. I see this all the time with the clients that I work with inside the YouTube coaching experience. They have a list of ideas. They write their ideas down when they're in the shower, when they're on a run, when they're at soccer practice for their kids. And then when it comes time to batch or create a YouTube video, they pick whatever video they feel really good about doing that week. And some of those videos get decent views, but none of them are leading to anywhere. No leads, no buyers, just content on a hamster wheel. That's why you're not making sales. There is no clear strategy, no plan with each video you put out. And this is exactly why I'm hosting a virtual event called the Evergreen and Evermore Conference. After 3 fully detailed sessions I'll be teaching, you will know exactly what you need to change and how you can start setting up your YouTube videos as a sales system. Because it's not about doing more on YouTube, and it's not even about more views and subscribers on YouTube. It's about doing it strategically, choosing the strategic videos, finding the strategic views, the ready to buy viewers. If you know YouTube is the platform you want to focus on, and you came from my video where I talked about how I increased my revenue 32% already this year by just focusing on YouTube, that video is right here, and you also want to start making sales every single day, make sure you grab a ticket at trinalittle.com/evergreen to this one-of-a-kind virtual conference, Evergreen and Evermore. I want to go to this idea of the quality of viewer, because on YouTube, a huge vanity metric and something that you hear people chase all the time are view numbers and subscriber numbers. There's a lot of times for business owners on YouTube using YouTube as a lead gen, as a client capturer or a client attractor. Sometimes less views on a video is better, because those videos that get lots of views are probably more basic topics. And those are the topics that are going to attract those beginners, those freebie chasers, those people who aren't ready yet to invest in your solution, your course, your program, your coaching program. They're just getting their feet wet. They're trying to be scrappy, DIY, and just start learning. They haven't experienced the hardships or the frustrations that those people have that then buy your course when they're right there on the fence. And so then what happens if that's the content you're creating and those are the viewers you're attracting, what the algorithm starts to calculate, I guess, is, oh, this is the type of person for this channel. We're gonna keep putting his videos in front of these types of people. And if these types of people are beginner people, you're gonna get stuck in a cycle of posting content that goes out to beginner type people who never buy, who are never interested in what you have to sell. And that's when you're gonna keep posting content and not see sales or any type of conversion. So you need to be shifting how you're thinking about a successful video, how you're thinking about, wow, that video did great, because it's not about the views. It's about, did that video generate me sales? Did that video send me a client? Did that video send traffic to my webinar landing page, to my course sales page? And those videos will get less views because these are topics that are being searched less. Remember, I said it's still good to show up in search, but very specific search results. The searches those ready to buy viewers are looking for. So what are the questions that your people are searching right before they buy your course or right before they decide to work with you? And I get questions about service providers. Yes, absolutely. What are the questions your clients are looking for before they decide they need you to do it for them? Those are the people that are going to buy. And they aren't watching those beginner videos. They aren't even searching for those beginner topics. This is then the good cycle you get in. When your content starts to call out your ready to buy viewer, the one who's already problem aware and are looking for a solution. Then the algorithm says, oh, that's the type of person for this channel. Let's start putting these videos in front of more people like that. More ready to buy viewers. And that's the best thing about YouTube. It will do the promoting for you for free. You don't even need to pay it. You just need to create the right content that teaches the algorithm who the right people are. And when you pick strategic, niche-specific topics for that person, yes, your views will probably go down. But your sales, your client lead generation, your inquiries will go up because you don't need more people watching your videos. You need the right person watching the right video at the right time. Maybe you're thinking, oh no, Trena, I did this. Is my channel stuck in just attracting these beginner views now? Let me share with you what you should do right now to fix your channel so that you can adjust the algorithm to start sending you the right people. The first thing you need to do is think about your content in a playlist funnel. Because the more videos you can get somebody to watch, the more likely they are going to convert, and the more YouTube starts to understand the right person. Because if you can get somebody to watch multiple videos of you, YouTube says, oh, that's a better viewer for this channel because they binge watch instead of somebody that just watches half of your video and bounces. So we need to think about strategic videos in a 4 to 5 series playlist funnel. You need to stop posting those random videos that came off of your list of ideas. Because the more somebody watches your content, the more YouTube is going to push your content to more people like them. Because here's what you really need to understand. YouTube isn't just content. It's your sales team. It will work around the clock for you. You don't even need to pay them as long as you build it strategically. It's not about your fancy gear. It's not about your fancy editing. I'm editing this video on my own and you can see there's very minimal editing and I may still have you to this point. It's not even about being consistent here on YouTube. It is your strategy. And if you're not thinking about the journey of your viewer from video to video to video to offer, you're not building a system that will convert. You're just creating content. But when you fix that, that is when everything changes. And remember, that is exactly what I'm going to be walking you through how to do at my Evergreen and Evermore virtual event. A ticket is just $9, and there are 3 jam-packed sessions, including a 90-day plan for how you can start shifting your channel if you've done it wrong, or you're thinking you're not getting sales from your channel, or you know you want to start with YouTube day 1 with a strategy. Get your ticket. It is $9. It is less than most Starbucks purchases at TrenaLittle.com/evergreen. And if you find yourself wondering, but Trena, what is one video that I could create that would generate me $2,000 in less than 24 hours? I'm going to show you what one type of video makes more $2,000 sales than any other type of video in the video on your screen right now. See you there.